So now on to method number 2 with stick drift. I'm going to be fixing it with one of these. You can just solder it on directly over your thumbsticks, and then you can adjust the resistance here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the solder from both of these, and then I'm going to install these pads here. The reason I'm removing the solder is because there's a lot of fat solder balls on this. This one's still stock, so this one would probably be okay actually just to go over the top, but I'm just going to go ahead and remove the solder anyway from both of these. There's no way you can do this. Pulling it up to that line, which is good there. I'm going to pull it back here. Boom, right there in the middle.